In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create thumbnails for YouTube in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, customize, and polish a thumbnail that grabs attention and matches your video's message. First, open Adobe Express on the web or launch the mobile app. Give it a moment to load the home screen so you're ready to start designing. Working in a quiet space with a clear idea of your video's topic will make the next steps much easier. Next, use the template search to find YouTube thumbnail templates. Type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar, and you'll see a gallery designed for the standard 1280 by 720 size, which fits YouTube perfectly. Templates are great because they're pre-sized and styled, saving you time and helping you stay consistent across your channel. Now choose a template you like, or start from scratch if you prefer full control. If you pick a template, think of it as a foundation you'll customize. If you start blank, you'll still have access to the same tools, but you'll build the layout yourself. Either way works. Go with what feels comfortable and aligns with your brand. Add your background image by uploading a photo from your device. This could be a sharp frame from your video or a clear, expressive photo of you. Aim for a high-quality image with good lighting. If the photo feels busy, keep in mind that a slightly blurred or simplified background can help your text stand out more clearly. Customize the visuals by resizing and positioning your background elements. Drag corners to scale and use alignment guides to keep things neat. Adjust brightness, contrast, and color to enhance clarity. Lifting exposure or cooling down tones can make text pop. If you're layering elements, think about depth. A subtle shadow or a soft color overlay on the background can improve readability without distracting from the main subject. Insert text to communicate the core idea of your video in a few words. Choose bold, legible fonts and aim for strong contrast against the background. Set a clear hierarchy: a large title, an optional short subtitle, and minimal extra words. Keep spacing balanced and try effects like a drop shadow or outline to ensure the text is easy to read on mobile screens. Finally, add graphics and icons to reinforce your message. Simple shapes, arrows, or relevant icons can direct attention to key areas. Keep the style cohesive, limit the number of elements, and stick to a consistent color palette so the thumbnail looks clean and intentional.